Hello and welcome to Aberdeen High School. Today I'm going to teach you, as a new teacher, how to take attendance. Alright, the first thing we do is we come down here to Safari, and in the search engine you will put the school address, asdms.us, and it brings you to our webpage. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Under Quick Links is the software we use called Sam Spectra. Choose it. By now you would have met with Miss Dorothy to get your username, and then she allows you to put in your own password. Log in, and it takes you to our dashboard. To take attendance, you go to Menu in your upper left-hand corner, and you would think you would choose attendance, but this allows you to generate reports, different attendance reports. Teachers take attendance under Grading and Teacher Gradebook. Click it, and this is your gradebook. The first thing you want to make sure that you do is go under Menu. We're going to take attendance, so choose it. And make sure that this blue block says attendance. That lets you know if it has changed. Alright, the easiest thing I can tell you to do is move left to right on your screen. Check attendance. Check your date. If you want to include absentees and tardies, click this box. This is the section, block, or period. We have periods here at school. So if you're taking attendance for first period, you would make sure that that is 1. Keep moving over to the right. Take attendance for, and it shows you your date. Now, it gives you your students and then attendance code. You can choose if the first student right here is absent, you choose absent, click it, present, present, come over here and hit save. You can hit save there, it does not matter. I'll click save. Now, it highlights the absent student in red. Now, I'm going to go back and change that. Present, save. That way it will not change her record. Okay, now another way that you can take attendance, let's change. Okay, I'm going to stop there and